In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to refund incomplete item on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Tauba or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step, or how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. That being said, let's get started.
Welcome my friends. So let's see how to ask for a refund for an incomplete delivery items on 1688. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here. The next thing I'm going to do is to access my chat box right here. So I'm going to select the supplier from here. Alright, so this supplier here has already delivered the items, but one thing about this delivery is that the items is incomplete and I was asked to ask for a refund of the remaining item that is out of stock, which I'm going to show you in a live practical step by step. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is to make sure there is a free flow of a good communication between you and the supplier. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the item link right here. Then take me to this particular page. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here. Then take me to this particular page. So there is a certain item that is not being delivered. So we have to just select the item that was not delivered. So I have to look for the items right here. I think is this one right here. This is the item that was not delivered. So I'm going to click on here to select the item. So I'm getting a refund of 83.50 yuan. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. Then you have to state the reason for the refund right here. So what I'm going to do here is to just make sure I screenshot this page. Then I'll head over to my Google Chrome to translate. So I'm going to click on my Google Chrome right here. Then I'll make sure I click on here, the camera icon. Then I have to select the picture. Then I'll make sure I click on translate right here. So return without reason. I don't want to buy. Express logistics has not been delivered. Express rejected due to failure delivery time. So you have to just check on the one that is related to your reason. Okay. So everything right here is not actually related to express logistics not being delivered. Express delivery has no valid tracking record. Rejected due to failure to deliver the goods on time. Detected workmanship issues, etc. Refuse to sign if the freight does not match the agreement. Let me quickly go back and check on another reason. So we can simply scroll down and then I will just screenshot again. Then I'll go back to my Google. Then right here I have to upload the second translation screenshot. So detection workmanship, counterfeit brand, invoice, romance gift, performance glitch. The size does not match the product description. Material. So there is no specific whereby the items is out of stock. But based on my discussion with the supplier, so I will just choose return without no reason. But the reason is best to know between me and the supplier. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to the refund request. So I'm getting 158.50 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed. So the refund has been successfully submitted for the said items. So this refund here will be attended to by the supplier in less than 24 hours. So, but if the supplier fails or does not have time to attend to this particular refund request in the next 24 hours, the system will automatically refund my money back into my Alipay. So you can see an alert from the supplier. So you can also click on screenshot the page right here and still communicate this information with the supplier. So for you to communicate with the supplier, just click on here, then it opens the chat box with the supplier. So you have it in your chat communication with the supplier also. This is a notification to the supplier. Then I can also send a screenshot from here to the supplier. Then click on send. It's as simple as that. So the supplier will refund the money back into my Alipay, or the system on 1688 will refund the money back into my Alipay. So this is how to ask for a refund for an item that was not delivered completely as a result of out of stock item by the supplier. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Ibufish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.